Ramadan is not only about individual worship, it is also about reviving communities and hearts together, gatherings, seminars, and competition activities.
Making an effort to spend Ramadan nights more productively by organizing gatherings, seminars, or competition-style activities on weekends is also an important opportunity before us. Why do we emphasize weekends? Because due to weekend breaks, people are less likely to face obstacles such as work fatigue or ongoing duties that would prevent them from participating in such activities. In this context, we can also put forward some suggestions and reflections directed toward religious officials, those engaged in guidance and conveying the message, and those who carry the responsibility of delivering the pleasure of their Lord to people. The responsibilities of such individuals are heavy, and the guidance they provide is highly influential. It can even be said that as long as there are people who carry out this duty while truly feeling its weight, it is impossible for society not to undergo meaningful change. Ramadan revives not only individuals, it revives entire communities. Gather hearts around goodness, share guidance with wisdom. Be a reason for positive change. If this reminder benefited you, like the video, comment below. What kind of Ramadan gatherings benefit you most? Subscribe to Light of Iman and stay with us for day 14 of 30 Ramadan 40 advices. May Allah bless our efforts and make them a means of guidance. Āmīn.